welcome back to my channel. For this video, let's do ombre lips, and it's very easy and simple to follow, so please stay tuned.
Moisturize your lips first. Then grab a dark lip liner. In this video, I am using a burgundy shade lip liner. Outline your lips. Make a thick outline. Do a crisscross on the upper lip. Make a thick outline. Then do another outline to make it even thicker. Fill in the side of your lips with your lip liner. Make sure it is evenly outlined and evenly thick. Then grab a very light shade lipstick. In this video, I am using Maybelline Superstay 15 Lover. Fill in your middle lips with the lipstick. Spread it evenly. Clean the edges by putting some more lip liner. Put some more lipstick to achieve the desired ombre shade. Clean the edges again with your lip liner. And this is the end result. You got an ombre lips.
So see, I told you it's very easy, and you only have to use two things: a lip liner and a lipstick. So it's like a darker shade of lip liner and a lighter shade of lipstick, and it's very easy, and it's kind of like cool to do because it's not a very common shade at all, and it's kind of like a trend at the moment. So that's all for now, guys, and I hope to see you on my next videos. Keep safe, everyone. Bye.